Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. And I just wanted to let you see what I am looking at here on my charts and what you could be seeing if you were in our room. Okay, so what we're looking at right now is we failed today off the second extension of that smaller swing inside a swing, which came in at 14,040. We still have this target, which is another swing inside a swing at 14,129. But the overall target of this larger swing is coming in at 14,347. If you're in our room, you would also know that the queen had timing on the NDX. So timing and extensions come together, many moves to terminated extensions, for us to get a pullback today. Now this is what I'm seeing on the 120-minute chart right now. We are in some support coming in anywhere from 13,752 to 70. And I do have quite a bit of support underneath that. I do have some timing for a low, and if that low from today is in place, then your target is going to be 14,098 and 14,187. But I want you to please be a cautious bull until we get through some of this 10-minute resistance. This is what I'm looking at right now, is this 10-minute resistance. So we had the extension on the daily, now we have the support on the 120, and now we have some resistance on the 10-minute chart that we need to get through first. Okay, hope all of you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me